Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to fix sensitive content on Dailymotion. Now if you want to fix the sensitive content on Dailymotion, then you need to simply follow this step shown in the video to fix it. Now to do so, firstly you need to simply open dailymotion.com on a device, and this is the homepage of Dailymotion. So at the very top right of the page you will see the option of my profile, so click on it, and under my profile you will see the option of my profile studio settings logout. Now you need to go on a profile and go on settings on your profile, and you need to hide sensitive content and switch the toggle off to restrict or turn off the sensitive content filter on a device. Now, after that, if you want to add a restriction to your sensitive content, then you need to click on the option of studio by clicking on your profile icon, and it takes you to the Dailymotion studio. So after that, you need to go to video details of the content you want to restrict and toggle on restrict access to sensitive content. So by doing this, users may not be able to see the sensitive content on this. And if you want to see the sensitive content on Dailymotion, then there may be various reasons behind it. If you want to see the sensitive content, then you need to simply watch this next video. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.